Okay, we're on the back road now going to the 361 Sren Beef Farm. We went yesterday to have T-bones and sirloin. It was awesome meat. So we wanted to come to the farm and see where they're raised because it's all local beef. They're grown locally.
Their own food for the beef.
Yeah, they actually, everything that they feed their beef is organic. They raise it themselves. It's the rice.
Jasmine rice, famous in Surin.
In 300 meters, your destination will be on the left.
So yesterday's video, I was showing the barns that were right by the restaurant. That is not where the cattle are.
Yeah, that's the sign. Yay! Here it is. Left side.
Wow, nice.
Wow. Wait.
Your destination is on the left.
Okay.
And it's closed.
Close.
What's it say?
Open and close the door.
So we can open it?
Do we have to call just a minute?
ทำไมเราถึงมาที่นี่คะเพราะว่าบ๊อบบี้มีความชื่นชอบเกี่ยวกับเรื่องฟาร์มวัวมากๆเพราะว่าในอดีตเขาเคยมีฟาร์มวัวอยู่ที่อเมริกานะคะเขาเลี้ยงวัวเขาเรียกว่าอะไรนะพันธุ์อังกัสหรืออะไรนี่นะคะแล้วเขาจะเรียนรู้เรื่องวัวได้ดีมากเขาเลยมีความสนใจเป็นพิเศษเลยนะคะที่จะมาชมที่นี่แล้วน้องท่านผู้จัดการก็ให้ข้อมูลได้ดีมากเลยแล้วก็ให้การแนะนำพูดคุยกับเราเป็นกันเองอย่างดีแต่เรายังเข้าไปชมไม่ได้ต้องรอท่านอาจารย์มาให้คำแนะนำหรือว่าพูดคุยนะคะ
They're very protective here. They're worried about disease. They don't let people go inside unless the professor is actually here. And he will be here in a couple of days. The cattle here on the left are Angus. The ones on the right over here are Australian Shorthorn. They look like they've got some Brangus in them, or Brahma. But anyhow, I'm filming from outside the gate. There's 382 animals here right now. They raise the beef here for consumption at the restaurant. I don't know how well you can see it. I flew the drone as well, and it's overcast, very cloudy today, so the light's not very good, and they're underneath cover. And as you can hear in the background, they have music that's piped in, playing all the time. They're fed very special feeds. So hopefully I don't have copyright claim with the music that's going in the background. Yeah, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 huge barns that they're all raised in. They make all their own feed too. It's organic feed. Nice operation here. So if anybody has any doubts about how good the beef is that they use in the restaurant, here's showing you that they have high quality animals, high quality beef, fed well. Okay, hopefully there's enough content here that I can make a video out of this, because I can't go inside, and the drone footage is really hard to see. I don't know on the controller. I don't know how good it's going to look. So I'll do the best I can do, at least to share what I can with you. They're very young ones. Bigger cow right there coming towards them. It's so hard to see. It's kind of dark. So if you like our content, please reach down and mash the like and subscribe. This is Bobby and Jai with Time to Get Going. We're out.